Established in 2008, Shenzhen Scondar Electronic Technology Company Limited has more than 14 years of manufacturing experience, specialized in all kinds of electrical components which are widely used in our daily life. The products quality of Scondar are guaranteed by our management to meet international standards. Scondar have provided hundreds of connectors which are commonly used for industrial and electrical, healthcare, automotives, home appliances, telecommunications, consumer electronics, electric power, industrial automotion, industrial manufacturing. Meanwhile, established good business relationship with our valued customers. Scondar has already been approved by ISO 9001. Quality System have obtained ROSE Report, CE certification. Also, REACH and UL certification of the original materials can be provided as customer request. Scondar has 3 workshops. They are separately injection, crimping, and assembly. The inspection equipment of Scondar are quite comprehensive, such as section analyzer, drawing force test, high and low temperature test, conduction test, salt spray analysis, swing test, tension test. In the future, Scondar will focus more on the development of scientific researchability and the improvement of product value in order to play an important role in world-class connectors area. Scondar warmly welcome you to communicate with us at any time, anywhere. If you get any ideas or business opportunities, please don't hesitate, let us know, as we always would like to be your reliable partner in China to support you to expand your business together in the electronic market.